Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Instagram new notes feature not working. So first of all, what you have to do is just click on your settings, scroll down and tap on this app management, click on app list and then here search for Instagram. Click on it and then what you have to do is just tap on this storage and cache and you simply have to tap on this clear cache and clear data also. So after this, just go back. And secondly, what you can do is just go for Play Store and in the search bar type Instagram and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. And if you are seeing any update here, just tap on update and it will update the latest version of Instagram application. And now after doing this all process, just open the Instagram application and you have to log into your account because you clear the cache and data. Now simply tap on your profile icon. Tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and click on settings and then go for help. Now just tap on this report a problem. Click on report a problem again and now here you have to tell Instagram that you are facing the issue. So you have to type something like this: hello Instagram team, I did not get notes feature on Instagram, please give me this update as soon as possible, and make sure that you uploaded the screenshots as well and then just tap on this next and click on send report. And after this, the Instagram team will be contact you and hopefully they will solve your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.